Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that healthy eating and drinking go hand in hand. Today, we're excited to share 11 delicious and nutritious drinks that perfectly complement 11 different diets. Whether you're following a specific dietary plan or simply looking to incorporate healthier beverages into your routine, we've got you covered. Let's explore these refreshing options. Green smoothie. Packed with leafy greens, fruits, and a liquid base of your choice. This smoothie is ideal for those following a plant-based or vegetarian diet. Turmeric latte. This warm and comforting drink, made with turmeric, plant-based milk, and a hint of sweetener, is perfect for those following a vegan or anti-inflammatory diet. Matcha tea. Rich in antioxidants, matcha tea provides a gentle energy boost and is a great choice for those following a ketogenic or low-carb diet. Freshly squeezed juice. Create your own juice using a variety of fruits and vegetables to suit your taste and dietary preferences. It's a versatile option for most diets. Herbal infusions. Explore the world of herbal teas, such as chamomile, peppermint, or ginger, which are caffeine-free and suitable for various dietary plans. Coconut water. A natural electrolyte-rich drink, coconut water is perfect for those following a paleo or gluten-free diet, providing hydration and essential minerals. Chia seed drink. Mix chia seeds with water, fruit juice, or plant-based milk for a refreshing and fiber-rich beverage that fits well into a vegan or high-fiber diet. Iced green tea. Brew green tea, let it cool, and serve over ice for a refreshing drink that can be enjoyed on almost any diet plan. Protein smoothie. Blend your favorite protein powder with fruits, vegetables, and a liquid base of your choice for a satisfying drink that complements a high-protein diet. Kombucha. This fermented tea provides probiotics and is a great option for those following a gut-healthy or vegan diet. Look for flavors that suit your taste preferences. Infused water. Create your own infused water by adding fruits, herbs, or cucumber slices to a pitcher of water. It's a hydrating and flavorful choice suitable for all diets. These 11 healthy drinks offer a range of flavors and benefits to complement various dietary plans. Remember to listen to your body's needs and choose the ones that align with your preferences and goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes, tips, and inspiration. Share your favorite healthy drinks in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video on Wne Wne, where we continue to promote a healthy and balanced lifestyle.